Hello, I have decided to prepare a new video series on the Common Agricultural Policy, which is shortly named CAP, implemented by the European Union. In the series, I will take a brief tour of the history of common agricultural policies in the EU. How was the common agricultural policy formed? What reforms took place during the process? What kind of a process was experienced with Ankara agreement with Turkey and with Turkey's candidacy process in the post-2000 period? I want to include all of these questions in the series. Let me first start to introduce who I am and what is my experience with the European Union. I was introduced actually to EU Common Agricultural Policies in a course I took in my senior year at the Faculty of Agriculture of Atatürk University, from which I am proud to graduate. Offers this as an undergraduate course was an advantage for me and also expressed the deep foresight of the university at that time. The Brussels summit of 17 December 2004 was a turning point in EU-Turkiye relations, and the following year, on October 3, 2005, it was decided to start negotiations with Turkey. My encounter with European Union coincided with this year. I passed the European Union Assistant Expert exam held by the Ministry of Agriculture and served for this ministry about 6 years. I took a very active role, especially in the Chapter 11, Agriculture and Rural Development. While I took part in the negotiation process with the European Commission, I also took part in many European Union projects conducted by the Ministry of Agriculture, financed by European Union. I had an opportunity to work with European experts from Italy, Holland, France, Germany, Spain, UK, etc. Not only have I attended theoretical trainings, but I also experienced the project implemented in the field of agriculture in the EU member states. In addition, with the opportunities provided by Turkish government at that time, I had the opportunity to participate in several trainings program organized by Ankara University European Communities Research and Application Center. Some of these trainings are European Union basic training, which lasted approximately 3 months of period. Within the scope of this training, I went through a basic training process on all policies implemented by the European Union. Then I received a very specific training program on common agricultural policy of European Union, which lasted approximately 3 months. I continued this training at the premises of Ankara University European Communities Research Institute. In the same institute, I also attended 36 hours of business English training and EU negotiations, lobbying and interpersonal meeting skills and technical program courses, which lasted approximately 2 months. All these trainings were financed by Turkish government. In addition, thanks to the scholarships given by the European Union, I participated in trainings that gave me the competence to look agriculture and food sector from an international perspective. To give a few examples, I received a 3-week training on the EU Water Framework Directive implemented by Grondmisch, which is the 3rd largest engineering company in Europe, and Delft Hydraulic in the Netherlands. I participated in the Common Agriculture Policy Training in cooperation with Wageningen University in the Netherlands I also experienced common agricultural policies of Spanish agriculture in 1 week training organized by Spanish Development Agency and the pre-accession financial assistance program supported by Dutch Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In addition to these trainings, I work at the European Commission General Directorate of Agriculture and Rural Development for 5 months. During this time, I gained depth on the EU's rural development policies. I had the chance to attend many internal and external meetings with the Commission staff. And thanks to the Jean Monnet scholarship given by the European Union, I completed a master's degree on European agricultural and environmental policies in England. As you can see, I have significant theoretical and practical experience in agri-food and environmental field. I would be happy to share my knowledge and experience with those who are interested in those fields.